Today's adventure brings us to Toccoa Falls up in Toccoa, Georgia. Let's go for a look. There's a restaurant here along with the Waterfall walk, which we're about to go to in a minute. And it's called the Gate Cottage Restaurant. This is the inside lobby of the Toccoa Falls, I'm going to say, attraction, and that's just what we're about to see in just a second. Here in the gift shop, they have all kinds of unique handmade items. Wood carvings. That's beautiful. They even have cute little puppies. That's cute. Let's go outside. We're on the walkway outside. In just a second it's going to turn into rock, but I want to show you these beautiful flowers they have here in the flower beds up above the walkway on our way towards the waterfall. Over here they have the beautiful place, what I showed you at the beginning of this video, the restaurant where they have meals on some Sundays. Let's go down a little bit further. This is the view they have from inside the Garden Gate restaurant. They have a nice view of a water flow. The stream goes all the way down. It kind of reminds me of Flat Rock Park in Columbus. And I'm going to put the description of that video in the link below. And over here they have more. Walking up to the waterfall on this very narrow rock road. As we're getting closer to the waterfall, it says, please stay on the path. And that's why. I love these little mountainside benches they built into the side of the mountain here. They're very unique. And here it is, folks. This is Toccoa Falls. It's the highest, I believe, waterfall on this side of the Mississippi River. And if you're standing here, you feel really small in front of this gigantic waterfall. It's really, really something to see here in Toccoa, Georgia. What a beauty.
That hurt me in my heart. That hurt me in my heart. I didn't have anything to do with it.
Coming through this steep incline, this narrow walkway here. I'm going to climb up on this rock, this one right here. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. This is the shimmering pool down below the waterfall. And it's hard to get over there to that sandbank over there. But every now and then you can see a rainbow in the mist from the gigantic waterfall right up there. It's right on top of us. And I'm on a very, very steep rock. There's a rock formation. These rocks were formed after the flood back in the 70s here at Toccoa Falls College. Let's walk back through this rock formation. That is Toccoa Falls, everyone. And how beautiful can you get?
I need to break my feet off. No, you can't.
Don't get in that water, you're going home.
Okay, ready, Mommy? Mommy, video me, video me.
I have a thing. No. Okay, well, let me be a call right later on the video, okay?
Like 3 minutes.
Yeah, I am.
Get him, get Aiden.
Oh, that way, you're going to...
Every now and then you can see a rainbow. It's so pretty here. This is the waterfall from the other side of the rock formation through the trees. And this waterfall is gigantic. And I love the way it sounds. What happened back in the 70s is when they had the flood up there in that lake up there. It flooded over. Then it pushed everything down. And it left these boulders here to sit. And they've been here ever since. This is an old millstone from the mill that used to be here at Toccoa Falls. This tells about the accident that happened here. These are the names of the people they lost in the flood. Class of 1986. Now we will go back down the rock path. You can see how beautiful this walk is on the rock path. It's very picturesque, especially with those rocks on the side there, here at Toccoa Falls. As we make our way back down to the restaurant and gift shop, where everyone's taking pictures. Here's another bench built into the mountainside, which is unique. Walking up this way, they have some beautiful yellow flowers. Now we're coming back into the gift shop, and I just wanted to show everyone this beautiful picture of the waterfall, which we just took a picture of out there. It's very beautiful. Now we're back into the gift shop. You can even get you a hat here. There. That's the restaurant too. You go in there to eat on some Sundays. That used to be the inn here at Toccoa Falls. The Haddock Inn. There it is nowadays. This is the way it used to be before anyone else was here. This is an artist rendering. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.